Dental decay is one of the most common diseases in the world, and if left unchecked, can lead to extensive breakdown of the tooth and potential loss. Decay is caused by bacteria. The bacteria live in a biofilm known as plaque. Decay-causing bacteria feed on the starchy food that sticks to teeth. The byproduct of this bacterial consumption of the starchy foods are acidic, and it's these acids that cause the decalcification and breakdown of tooth structure. To prevent the further decay of the tooth and restore that which has been destroyed, your dentist may choose to place a bonded white filling. This procedure begins with removal of the decayed tooth structure. Once the cavity has been removed, there is a clean space left in the tooth, known as the cavity preparation. The tooth is first prepared with a cleaning agent to make ready the site for the adhesive agent that is used to make the filling tightly bond to the tooth structure. This cleaning agent is rinsed off and then the adhesive bonding agent is applied. This adhesive is then cured with blue light so that it is hardened. The blue light waves have energy required to polymerize the bonding agent. The white filling material is then placed into the cavity preparation shaped with special instruments and cured to hardness by the blue light. Final anatomical details and shaping of the filling are accomplished with a high-speed drill and special drill bits. White fillings are not only highly aesthetic, but their bond strength and compatibility with existing tooth structure make them a good choice as a restorative material.